Okay, so let's. What is that? And Joe is acting like that. Hey guys, come here. What is it? Yeah, what is it? You know, I'm still standing right here. And Lucas, can you at least help? Fine. Bruh, thank you. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay. Oh no! What the? No, no. Oh, no! No! Ah! Alright, fine. What? What happened? What happened? What was that? Oh no! 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 Oh god! What the? No, activity's going on. Wait. What is that? What is that hand doing here? Here? No! 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 18! Little hand, are you mad? Are you out of your mind? What's that? What's that hand doing? Oh no. No! 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 Whoa! Okay. Yes, I'm done with my life. Oh. Guys, are you okay? Maybe. I've never been hurt so much in my life. Luigi, are you okay? Luigi? 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 Wake up! Luigi! 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 What happened? Are you okay? Are you sure you're fine? Oh, ears. What did you say? I said, are you okay? What? I said, can you hear me? What? Luigi, are you sure you're fine? What? Oh my god. My brother. Luigi, please don't tell me you're dead. What? Crap! The stupid alarm clock bird acting like a total number. Creep! Well, I guess has been confirmed. God of the alarm clock bird has spoken. And now we threw it forever. Oh my god. Hey Sea Wallace fans, Ann here. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you liked this video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel of Sea Wallace. And I'm gonna say next. Oh yeah, and click the like button and subscribe, and check out their other videos like it. And that's it. And don't forget about me. And if you like some other channels, go to there. See you later. Oh, I'm seriously, don't tell anybody about this alarm clock bird, because it's a reference of the THX logo. Yep. Very good.